First, we need to log in and ensure you can see your username. To do that, you can look in the top right corner of your screen and click on the login button, or you could enter your username and password underneath user login, or click on the Google or Facebook icon to log in with your Google or Facebook or LinkedIn account. After you log in, it's very important that you ensure you can see your username in the top right, or on the left side. If you scroll down, you should see your username there too, just to make sure that you're logged in correctly. Next, we're going to select any of your projects you would like to create a case in. And there are many places you can access your projects from, such as the study group, project page, or resource library. Simply open up your project and click on Add Case. And like I said, you could find your projects in a lot of places at the center of the net. We're going to look first inside a study group, inside of this study group right here, which is a homeschooling study group for a student. If you click on data type and select project and click on apply, you can filter the selection just to display your projects. And then down here you can see they have a reading list project. You can click here, or you could go up to the project menu link within the study group, which is another location which lists your projects. And you can click on the project link there too. Or in the resource library, or in your IQ or notebook, there's several places you can find your project. And then go down to the middle of the project page and click where it says Add Case. Add Case. Now you need to enter in your chosen case name. I recommend that you enter in case and some keywords, such as in this situation we're going to put case and the student's name, and then we're going to type reading list and caption. Just for future reference, whatever you name the title is up to you. In this situation, we're going to book is a case in the reading list project, so we're going to put the book's title right here. Next, enter in the description for your case. Right here where it says description, enter in as much information as you would like. Next, we're going to enter in a short recent update if needed, and this information will be shown on the project listing. It's a small entry field, you cannot put that much information there. So a short recent update. In this example, we're going to say that we read some pages in the book. Next, if you want to enter in any update history for your case in more extensive detail than this small recent update field, you can enter in your case history or your update history. If you scroll down and click on this box, you could Type in as much as you would like. Next, enter in any external or off-site links here. This is where you could put a link to some other resource that's not located at the center of the net. And you could put in as many links as you would like. In this situation, we're going to put a link to a reading website in Wikipedia. Maybe reading is fun. Your external link and put that here. And then when you look at your case, you can see it listed in the top left here where it says related links external. That will appear here. Next, choose an image for your case, which is optional if you would like to choose an image. Go ahead and click on Choose File and select whichever picture you would like. In this situation, we're going to upload the picture of the book's cover. And then you will be able to see that information on the left right here, and if you click on that picture you will be able to see a larger light box version of that. Underneath that, if you have any video or media links such as YouTube or Yoku or Tudo or Vimeo, or you can enter those links here. I'm not going to enter any for this example. Next, if you know the ISBN or Amazon ID of the product that you're putting in your case or the related material, you could enter it here. And go ahead and scroll down to the middle of the section that says the center of the net items at Amazon. Enter the number there. And the reason why we use Amazon is because it has a large selection of different products, whether it be books or materials. That will appear on the top left underneath the window right here where it says the center net items at Amazon. And it's good to provide a link in your case in case other people would like to see information about your resource. You could maybe look up the author of the book, or maybe some product information or some other external reviews or comments that might be at Amazon, or if they'd like to maybe buy the product or something like that. Amazon has a large database of different products, so it's a good reference for your materials. It's optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Next, the project selection. You need to select your project, but your project selection should be already selected. No adjustment is necessary. Please be careful that you create your case in the correct project location. To do that, just scroll down the window and you should see it right there. It says project, and you should be in the correct project right now. If you need to change the project location, you could choose a different project, but as you can see right here, the project is listed. This is the reading list project. We'll go to that to look here. This is the actual project which we're creating a case in, and it says homeschool reading list. It's a project, and we added the case earlier into there. So be careful that you have your case in the correct location, but everything should be set. And if you would like, you can optionally choose any username to assign the case to. Simply scroll down, and if the user is registered at the site, the name will automatically complete as you start typing. Here, the username here if you wish to assign it to any user. Next, select the status for your case. There's several options. You can have the status for not started, started in progress, completed, postponed, needs info, canceled, or duplicate. It is optional. It is not required. Next, set the priority. The options are low, high, and normal. And for future sorting and tracking of your cases, these are all optional parameters, but they can be quite useful. Next, set your case type. Is this case a problem case or something you need information, or perhaps a goal or a wish list item, or even an idea, or general task? The default is general task. It's also an optional selection. Next, select the main subject class of your case. You may select as many as needed. You must make one selection. To choose your selection, go ahead and click on the drop-down menu and then highlight your choice and click Add. You can add more than one. If you make a mistake, go ahead and click on the orange Remove link. Next, select the educational level targeted by your case. Go ahead and scroll down to the middle where it says educational level. You can make multiple selections by holding down the control key as you click on it. Next, select the main content type for your case. In this example, we're going to choose ebook, and you can choose as many different content types as you like. And our general, mixed content, unspecific. If you make a mistake, you can click on the remove link once again. You must make at least one selection. Next, select the Evo tags, and this is where you can enter in your own case tags. Make sure that you enter one term at a time. A comma will not separate the terms, so after you enter one term, go ahead and click on Add or press Enter. If you make a mistake, you can click on the red X. At the bottom, you can see some of the most popular recent Evo tags. If you'd like to add those, click on the green X. Next, select more like this terms. Enter in any terms separated by a comma which you would like related links automatically related to. The website will automatically scan your content and make keywords for related subjects, but you might find it might not be that accurate, and if you would like to alter those related links that you see on your case page, you could enter in your own keywords here. And you could edit these at any time if you feel the related links are not very accurate. Here on the right, you can see where those links are going to appear. The human suggested ones are ones that you suggest. In the bottom right, the robot suggested links are more the automatically scanned keyword references. Next, you need to select the group tab for your case. By default, the correct group should already be selected. If you would like to have your case appear in multiple groups, you can do that here. Scroll down and click on the group tab. Most of the time I find it a little bit better to have a case in one group, but whatever your workflow is, perhaps multiple groups is okay for you in your situation. I prefer one case per group. Next, related links. Select any related links such as previously created thoughts. Click on add as needed. Okay, now previously we did external links, and this is primarily meant for links within the website, the center of the net. So if you know the name of another piece of material that you've created online, a thought or so, enter the name in here, and the title will be dynamic. So if you ever change the title, the address will still be the same and the link will be updated. So please put your internal site links here and then click save and your case is done.